Transform your Webflow CMS content into an interactive experience by adding advanced filtering with Finsweet Attributes. First, let's head into your Webflow designer, select the CMS collection list you want to make filterable. This is the foundation of your dynamic content. We'll be working directly with this element. Now, we need to bring in the power of Finsweet. Go to the Add Elements panel and look for the Finsweet Attributes section. You'll find a search and filter component. Drag and drop this component directly onto your page, usually above your collection list. Once placed, this component gives you the building blocks for your filtering system. You'll see pre-built elements like dropdowns, checkboxes, and search bars. We can customize these to match our content categories. Let's focus on a dropdown filter. Select your dropdown element within the search and filter component in the element settings panel. Locate the Finsweet attributes. We need to assign a specific attribute to this dropdown. For a dropdown, assign it the attribute fs-searchfilter-field. This tells Finsweet that this dropdown will be used to filter your collection. You'll then need to tell it which CMS field to filter by. On the same dropdown element, in the value field next to the attribute, select or type the name of the CMS field you want to filter. For example, if your CMS collection has a category field, select that this connects the dropdown to your content. For a search bar, the process is similar. Select the input element you want for your search in the element settings. Assign it the attribute fs-searchfilter-search. This tells Finsweet this element should handle text-based searches across your collection items. Crucially, your main CMS collection list also needs an attribute. Select your collection list element, and in its element settings, assign it the attribute fs-searchfilter-list. This attribute tells Finsweet which collection list to apply the filtering to. After setting up your filter elements and the collection list attribute, save your changes and publish your site now. Head over to your live site, and you'll see your dynamic list with functional filters and a search bar, allowing users to easily discover your content.